Again, I would attempt to factor first. Hopefully I'll see something pretty simple. And, looking at this over here, I'll write this down for you. This is 10n squared. And the bottom, x and x. That's not much of an issue for me. And then I'm going to say 3n and 2n. Minus 3n plus 2n. Fairly simple. I'm going to do the other guys. And there's a problem with it. I definitely see the factor x plus 2n. Now to get the other guy, I'm going to factor out a minus 1 from the bottom. And that'll be x minus 3n then. And then you get 4x minus 5n. All right, this is a more difficult problem. And there are a couple of things you could do. I mean, you could do a long division. I'm not going to say that's going to really work out too well for you, but you could do that. We've done that in the past. What I'm going to do is just straightforward multiplication of the LCD. And the LCD in this case is just going to be x minus 3n. And then you can get x plus 2n. What's nice about that, you're going to get something fairly simple. You can get 4x plus 3n. One of the factors disappears, the x plus 2n, and you're left with x minus 3n. Then you can get minus, well, the 4x minus 5n on top. And then on bottom, the x minus 3n would cancel, and you're left with x plus 2n. On the right side, you just get 10n squared. Again, I want to focus in on we're solving for x. So let's take a look at it. I got some simplifications to do here. And I get 4x squared. And then what do you get? You're going to get minus 12 nx plus 3nx minus 9n squared. I'm going to do the next one, and I'm going to be careful about it. It's going to be minus 4x squared. Then you get 8nx, but I'm subtracting it. And you're going to get minus 5nx, but I'm subtracting it. And then you're going to get minus 10n squared, which is, I'm subtracting it, plus 10n squared. And what does that equal? 10n squared. All right, let's just go through it. I mean, these disappear. Let's get all our x's together. This is minus 20. That's 8. So I get minus 12 nx. And then I get plus n squared equals 10n squared. What I would do now is subtract n squared from both sides. I get minus 12 nx equals 9n squared. I would divide both sides by the coefficient on x. I'm solving for x. And I would get 9n squared over minus 12. Let me put the minus sign up here and put 12n there. I'm going to simplify this. Again, n can't be 0. You're going to get minus 3. I'm dividing top and bottom by 3n. And on bottom you get 4. Whoops, sorry about that. I forgot to do the n there. And on the bottom you get 4. All right? So I'm going to put a circle on this one over here. I'm going to look at the answer key, and I do see that. Now going back to the original expression, I'm always looking for danger. And the danger in the original expression would be if x were equal to 3n or if x were equal to minus 2n. And that's not any of those, so I don't have to worry about it. This is a good answer. Again, I didn't check it, but you may want to check these. All right? Thank you.